Wow, Tesla just announced their Cybertruck. This is the first ever truck made by Tesla. This is insane. This is what it looks like. Definitely crazy. This will definitely catch a lot of attention. I'm going to go in depth on all of the details about the new Cybertruck. Is this something that you might want to consider buying? Let me know in the comment section. Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. Like I said, we're going to be talking about the new Tesla Cybertruck. That's what they're calling it. If you're new to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any brand new content that will make you a more profitable investor in the stock market. So make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. That way you get notified as soon as I release brand new videos. Before we get started, I do want to share this link that I have in the description. A lot of these are for free money, free stocks for any of the brokerages that I actually use every single day. This is Mercari, $10 off any purchase as long as you sign up with that link. And then my favorite secured credit card, you get $50 of absolutely free spending money. All you have to do is sign up. The links are all in the description. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to Tesla's website. If you've never been to the Tesla website, I'd highly recommend you to do so. They actually have a very good design on their website. I love how they feature all their products on the home page. It's really nice. The graphics are nice. I really like how they have slideshows with every single one of their products. So really cool. And you'll be able to find the Cybertruck section in the top. They just made that update recently, like probably 10-15 minutes ago. Alright, so there you go. The Cybertruck made by Tesla. All electric, no gasoline. This is definitely insane. Just look at how that looks. There's nothing like that. Not even a car, a truck, nothing looks like that. So the exoskeleton is built with an exterior shell made with ultimate durability and passenger protection. During the Tesla live stream, they were even hitting the truck with a sledgehammer and a bunch of different things. It was absolutely insane, and the exoskeleton was so sturdy it didn't even make a bump on the actual truck. So definitely crazy, really good materials that they're using for the truck. They're really going forward with making it very tough and resistant. So it's basically a dent-free truck if you think about it. Because of the really well materials that they use, it makes it almost impossible for it to ever even get damaged. And yeah, so Tesla armor glass, also the glass, they showed it on the live stream. It's very resistant to impact. Almost every single car glass will get easily crushed or damaged, but they made sure that it's very tough so that nothing pretty much makes any bumps or anything like that on the actual glass. And the truck has the ability to pull near infinite mass and a towing capability of over 14,000 pounds. Cybertruck can perform in almost any extreme situation with ease. So that's what they mean by versatile utility. It has adaptive air suspension as well. You're able to raise or lower the suspension actually up to 4 inches in either direction for easy access to the Cybertruck on the Volt, while self-leveling capabilities adapt to any occasion and assist with every job. It also has a flexible interior. Seat 6 comfortably with additional storage, so 6 people can fit in this truck at the same time. It is completely adaptable for your needs. And it also has a advanced 17-inch touchscreen with the all-new customized user interface. From rugged to refined, Cybertruck is completely adaptable for your needs. Prepare for every experience with a versatile utilitarian design, and it also includes onboard power and compressed air. This is insane. No other truck has the features that this truck has. They definitely gave it a lot of thought. and basically redesign what a truck is and the capabilities of a truck. It has a lot of unique features that I think will be a great selling point, but the absolutely best thing about it is the design. Even though it doesn't look like that good, I still think that it's a very unique design that almost everyone will want to have a car like this, a truck like this, because there's nothing like it. A lot of people really like having unique things, so I definitely see this selling really well in the long run especially, and it's gonna be like something that's cool that people can own, because there's nothing like this at all whatsoever. It has a new class of strength, speed, and versatility, and it says that it's only possible with an all-electric design. The powerful drivetrain and low center of gravity provides extraordinary traction control and torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.9 seconds and up to 500 miles of range. They even made a racing video as part of the live stream where the CyberTruck, raced a Porsche and it actually beat the Porsche. So this is kind of insane for a truck to be able to even beat a sports car on its speed. Alright, so now let's take a look at the different models. So the first one they offer is a single motor rear wheel drive. This does 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. The range before you need to charge it again is 250 miles, which is still a lot. Storage 100 cubic feet. Vault length 6.5 feet. It's able to tow up to 7,500 pounds. And then for the dual motor, which is the next model, this is 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The range is 300 miles as opposed to 250. 100 cubic feet of storage, same thing. Towing capacity is 10,000 pounds. So now let's look at their premium model, which is the tri-motor all-wheel drive. So this actually does 500 miles in range, which is pretty far without needing to charge it. Most gas vehicles won't let you drive them for that long. And then the 0 to 60 miles per hour, it does it in 2.9 seconds. That is insane. The vault length is 6.5 feet, 100 cubic feet storage. The towing capacity on the deluxe model is 14,000 pounds. That is crazy. So you're actually able to pre-order the CyberTruck now. They're only asking for $100 for a deposit, and then you'll arrange the payments from there. But yeah, the prices, it's actually very cheap. Many people are very surprised that they're able to make an electric truck, this cheap and all the features that it has. So it starts at $39,900 for the single motor rear wheel drive. The dual motor is $49,900. The tri-motor all-wheel drive is $69,900. And then if you want self-driving, which Cybertrucks can do, and so can any Tesla vehicle, is $7,000 extra, and you'll be able to have those self-driving features. So not a bad deal. I'm very excited what Tesla stock will do after this announcement. Alright, so that's the Tesla Cybertruck. Let me know what you guys think of this truck. Do you think this will be a good seller for Tesla? Do you think they did a good job designing the truck? What do you like about the truck? What do you not like about the truck? Is this something you will be interested in getting? Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, and make sure you like the video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.